success after 40 isn't about changing a million different things and hoping that something works. It's not about upending your lifestyle and causing more stress. You see, after the age of 40, fitness success comes down to 3 things. And when you prioritize these 3 things, you're going to be able to unlock unlimited fat loss. Hey, Brian, I'm Brian, founder of the Fit After 40 Transformation Method. And today I want to talk about those 3 things, because the old way of doing exercise, the old way of these soul-crushing workouts, the old way of the doomed to fail diets just suddenly stops working when we hit our 30s and into our 40s, and here's why. You see, when we do those soul-crushing workouts after 40, it actually does more harm than good. You see, we feel good because in the moment we're working so hard and we're burning the calories. We're watching our Apple Watch burn calories, and we're sweating and we're breathing heavy and we feel like we're doing something. And that's why I call it soul crushing, because at the end of the day you burn calories while in motion, but after you stop that spin class, after you get off that treadmill, after you stop that HIIT workout, your metabolism actually slows down to pre-exercise levels. Not what we want for optimal fat loss. So what we want instead is progressive strength training. You see, progressive strength training causes what we call the afterburn effect. You see, the afterburn effect is what we were looking for, because that ignites a sluggish metabolism. How does it do that? It's what we call the up to 72 hours after the workout. I can work out on a Monday, and up to Wednesday I'm still burning more calories because my metabolism is burning more fat, it's burning more calories, it is have more energy, I have more confidence, my hormones are balanced because of that workout. You don't get that effect from cardio, you only get it from strength training. Second thing we're talking about is the doomed to fail starvation diets. And again, when we're in our 20s and 30s, you can skip a few meals and the weight just mounted off. It worked for me. I could just I'll just skip breakfast, or I won't eat dinner and I'm good. And it worked until it doesn't. And again, what that does is it raises your cortisol levels. It puts you under stress, and it trains your body to hold on to the fat as opposed to letting it go. So what we're looking for here is more of a hormone-friendly nutrition plan, which we call the POP diet. That is the power of protein. Now, we're not excluding carbs, we're not excluding fats, but we are prioritizing the power of protein to stimulate and boost your metabolism. It helps you feel full, it gives you more energy, and it helps power through your busy day by balancing your hormones, making you feel full, and helping your metabolism. Third thing is we want to look for what we call non-exercise activity thermogenesis. We just call it NEAT. And you don't need to know that. What you need to know is what it is. What it is just the non-exercise stuff. It's just like getting your 10,000 steps, getting your activity. And we're not talking about cardio here. We're just talking about everyday activity. Sometimes we have this misnomer that we could just do a workout and just veg the rest of the day. Better than nothing, but not optimal. So try and get that non-exercise activity, such as maybe go for a walk after dinner. During the day, during lunch, your lunch break, go for a walk. Kind of get more activity level in there. Do more chores around the house. Yuck. Just do more activity to get that non-exercise activity. If you do those 3 things, you're going to find that you're going to be able to repair and reset and rebuild your sluggish metabolism. And let me say that one more time. We want to repair your metabolism from years of over dieting and over exercising and doing too much. Then we want to reset our metabolism. We want to set it up for success by igniting it through the strength training and through the hormone-friendly nutrition. And last, we want to rebuild it so it's stronger and it starts burning calories even at rest. And that's where the afterburn effect comes in. That's the holy grail of fitness, where you're doing your everyday activities, you're sleeping and you're burning more fat. You're playing with your kids, you're at work, you're watching TV, you're reading, and you are burning more fat. That's where we want to get you to. But first, we have to repair, reset, and rebuild your sluggish metabolism.